everyone, it's Ice Dragon Cosplay again, and on today's video I'm going to show you how I made Aurora's crown. So we're starting off with my favorite template, some craft foam, and this is actually the first time I'm going to be using Warbler, so that's exciting. So here I'm pinning down the crown to the craft foam. If you like, you could do tracing around it. I decided actually not to do that. I instead just decided to pretty much pin it down and cut it around my pattern. As always, please do remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'm sorry this video is super late. I've been talking about it for ages, and it's been a really busy months. So now I'm using little tiny scissors to cut out the tiny details. I like these ones because they're actually like curved. It's really helpful to get into those spaces. Yay, it's all done. So as you can see, I have my Warbler cut out into shapes that fit the crown, and I'm using my heat gun. You can kind of see the shininess of it. So you want to heat up the shiny sides because that's the sticky side. And now I'm just sticking in my crown piece in that first one. We're going to hit it with the second part. Yay! Yay! Warbler! I don't know why I decided to stick to that side instead. Like I said, this was the first time I used Warbler, so this was very interesting to me. New experiences for me. Also, I got this from not Warbler, but a different website, so it's very thick. I don't know if Warbler is this thick. Maybe it is. Like I said, I'm very new to Warbler. So now that I've gotten it sandwiched, I'm just reheating up different parts and, making the details of the crown really pop out. And next time I think I'm gonna get like heat resistant gloves. Not that it hurt my hand, but it was a little warm to touch, so I don't suggest doing it without gloves on your hands because you're not gonna enjoy it. Now we're doing the back, yay! I don't know if you noticed, but on the front I had actually added a ridge to the bottom of the crown, just to give it a 3D shape. Then I trimmed off all the excess Warbler, and I shaped it. I'm sorry I didn't film that part, it just seemed a bit redundant. And now I am covering it in Mod Podge. This is just for sealing to pretty much make it take paint better. I ended up doing about 3 coats of Mod Podge. Everyone said wood glue, but I didn't like it. Now I've taken it outside and I'm ready to paint it. And I just grabbed like Honest Nickel spray paint. I'm just like, yeah, let's go gold. So now that it's all painted, here's how it looks. And I'm going to add my fun details. I just got some gold filigrees, and I went with the red, blue, and green gems because I wanted to do that. I thought it'd be pretty to represent like the fairies that were in Sleeping Beauty. I know her crown doesn't have a lot of bling bling on it, but I wanted some bling bling. I'm using E6000 glue because oh my god, this stuff's amazing. Now, before you go on, you're going to want to test with your pieces. I already did, and so I knew where I was going to put them. But don't just go, maybe this will look good, because you're going to hate it. You're going to hate it. And I even did that with the gems. I knew which ones I wanted in what places. So. And now we're just putting them on. This is pretty much the end of the tutorial. I know it's kind of a short one. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, please don't forget to subscribe, and actually have how I made my Aurora wig coming up. So that'll be fun. Alright, bye.